How to turn off comment notifications on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off comment notifications on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, click on your profile and click on those three lines up there, and now click on setting and privacy. Now click on push notifications on your activity. On interaction options, you're gonna find comment, which is the second option. You can turn off comment notifications or turn it on wherever you want. If you turn off this option, you are never gonna receive a comment notifications on your inbox on TikTok app here. And this is it. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.